apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who says meow. D is for duck, quack, quack right now. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for grapes, purple and round. H is for hat, wear it in town. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly, bright and bold. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, climbing trees. N is for nest, home for bees. O is for octopus, under the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen with her golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for star, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging all night. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin, ready to play. W is for whale, big in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes so slick. Now we've sung the ABC.